Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your landing page from Wix to Webflow, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard of the site you want to transfer. Click on Site Actions and then select Export Site. Wix does not allow direct export for landing pages, so take note of the content manually. Open a separate document and copy all text from your landing page. Take screenshots of any images or graphics you may need. Make a list of any custom fonts and styles used on your Wix landing page. Next, log into your Webflow account. Create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Choose a blank template to start with, or select one that closely resembles your Wix design. Begin by adding a new section to your Webflow project. Drag and drop elements like headings, paragraphs, and images according to your Wix layout. Paste the text from your document into the corresponding elements in Webflow. Upload the images you took screenshots of earlier. Adjust the positioning and styles to match the original design. If you used specific fonts in Wix, find similar fonts in Webflow's font settings. Make sure to set the correct sizes, colors, and spacing as per your original design. Once your landing page content is in place, preview your design using the eye icon. Test all links and buttons to ensure they function correctly. Now, check the responsiveness of your landing page by switching to different device views. Make any necessary adjustments for mobile and tablet views. Once you're satisfied with the design and functionality, publish your Webflow site. Share your new landing page URL on your desired platforms. Finally, monitor its performance and make tweaks as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.